Hello, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to install some interior blackout kits on our RAV4. Come on, let's check them out. All right, so again, these are the interior blackout kit for the RAV4, 5th gen RAV4. And these are available at Cartrimhome.com. If you want to purchase them, I'll put the link in the description below. You can use my discount code FG7P to save 7% off your purchase. So again, for this, let's start with the panels in here. So these are for the door panels where the window switch are. So we had complete one. So the rear, we got the front, all right, and the passenger front. Okay, so these are only stick on, basically double-sided tape. So make sure to prepare your doors or wherever you're gonna stick this properly. So like wiping it with alcohol prep pads, and also make sure that the weather is not that cold to make sure that they adhere properly. What I do on my case, I use a heat gun. I'll use a heat gun on this one to heat up the adhesive at the back for it to adhere properly. One thing you can do also to make sure that it is warm inside your car is you can turn the heater on your car, let it run, let it heat up inside, and then you can stick them also. Again, the prep is the most important part here for it to adhere. All right, so again, this is for the door panels on the side. Okay, so these are very thin and yeah, very fragile. Just be careful. We got this one for the cup holder. For those who got LED on their cup holder in the middle, this will not fit in there, so you have to use your stock cover, okay, for this to fit in. So in my case, I have the LED cup holder in there, so I'm not gonna be installing this for now because I cannot really find my stock cover in there. So I'm supposed to install it for the video and install this, but I cannot find it for some reason. I kind of misplaced it when I did something in the garage. All right, so we have a complete set in here. So we got the one for the dash. So this is for the passenger side dash panel. So we have the one on the driver side vent. Okay, then we got the center console with the shift for the shifter. Okay, this is all complete. This is a good solution. Okay, it's a nice solution if you have some scuff up factory panels in there. You can cover this with this, or if you don't have a scuff yet or any scratches yet, this is a good way to protect your panels. So especially on the doors, okay, for the window switch, it is already black in there, but if you want to avoid any scratches, you can definitely install this. All right, so let's go and proceed on installing. We're gonna proceed and install the one on the window switches. All right, so as I mentioned, we're gonna proceed and start with the window switches panel. So as you see here, it's unnecessary to put a cover, but if you want to protect them, basically you can put these covers to avoid any scratches in the future. So for this, we just need to put it on the correct orientation. I already peeled this and I already warm it up with my heat gun. Then we just need to position it, slowly position it, and just drop it in there. And then apply pressure once you're sure of the alignment. Okay, so just apply pressure, just put it in there. Okay, next thing what we're gonna do here is we're going to install the blackout kit for this. And one reason that I install this first, because I'm gonna use a masking tape to hold this piece in here. All right, so just to make sure that it doesn't pop out or anything like that. Okay, so just apply pressure on this one, and then we're gonna do this now. All right, so now we're gonna install this. As you see here, the way I prep this is I put some masking tape already on the edge, or in the end, here in the middle, and also here. So we're gonna start from here. It's gonna sit in there, you know, it's in place. So I'm not gonna press it yet. I'm just gonna make the masking tape hold it to place in there, and then just position the rest. Okay, and then pushing it. So you may see some more of the silver here on the top, because this is so thin that it cannot be fully covered. So see here, kind of stick already. Let's just press it. And I'm gonna press it here now, and press it here. You need some masking tape, the middle part here. So there you go. Again, on the top part here, there's really nothing we can do. That's how it's molded. Okay, we will still see a line of the silver that goes along. It is even. The camera may not see it, that it's even. Let me show you. Okay, so this top part in here, it's still gonna show, but again, majority of it will be covered. All right, basically do the same on all four doors. All right, and then we're gonna move on the dash. All right, so now time to install this on the vent. Again, just align it before pressing it through. So I just drop it like that. Again, it's perfect. The alignment is perfect. The fitment is perfect from Cartrimhome. Again, if you want to purchase this, I'll put the link in the description. You can use my discount code FG7P to save 7% off your purchase. So as you see here, I'm just applying pressure just to make sure that the adhesive will adhere. So yeah, so at this point, basically we're just gonna move on the other side, passenger side. That one has the long one. So yeah, so there you go, installed. Let's go on the other side now. All right, so on this one, what I did is I put the tape here in the end, okay, just so that I can just make sure it stays in place. So we're gonna drop it. Let's drop it like that. Don't put any pressure yet. So I want to make sure that this side, it is aligned. Then I'll compress it. Okay, and then you can push it with the help of the tape. It should stay in place. I hope it does. All right, so tape in. Now supply pressure all throughout. There you go. Now we have to work on the center console. All right, so for the trim here in the center on the shifter, what we need to do, enable for us to install this, okay, is if we try to install it with the shifter on park, we cannot really insert it. Okay, we cannot really put it on. So what we need to do is we need to move the shifter into reverse or neutral with your engine off. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you. So I put it into ignition. Now we're gonna put it into neutral. It's gonna start beeping. Then we just need to flex it a little bit. Okay, then push it forward until it locks into place in here. Then you can press it. Okay, right now I didn't remove the adhesive yet, so apologize for the beeping because it is shift into neutral. All right, so there you go. That's how you put it on. Okay, just to make sure that it is on properly. Again, I'm not able to install the blackout kit here in the middle because I have the LED cup holder. Again, it's up to you if you want to install it or not. If you don't have the LED cup holder, then yeah, go ahead and install it. For me, I can't find it really. I've been looking for days now and I cannot find it where I put it. But yeah, so we're gonna finalize the install on this one and I'll show you here in a bit. All right, so for this one, it'll be a little annoying because of the beeping. So we're going to shift it into neutral and then we're gonna install it. Okay, there you go. Make sure it's in place. Then we're gonna start pushing it. Put that back. All right, so again, just apply pressure on the sides, on the top here. Okay. If you want to put the tape, you can do so. Might put some tape here in the top here, also on the side. But on this end, yeah, I think it's not moving, so it's good. And also they added this piece in here. There's a small piece in here to cover this part. All right, so that's a good addition. So if you want to install that, you can do so. I'm gonna leave it as is for now. I'll make sure I'm not gonna lose it. So again, just apply pressure as long as you can. So make sure it will adhere properly. All right, so basically that's it. This one looks good, and yeah, if you want to purchase this blackout kit, I'll put the link in the description. Again, it's gonna be from cartrimhome.com. Very good product, quality, plastic, awesome. All right, again, they are perfectly fit on our panels, on our trims. All right. So again, if you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.